Hi, this video will cover 6th grade lesson 2 for the Wylock tutoring. Number 1 is evaluate the expression of 8 times 8 times 8. Okay, to solve this out, what I would do is I would probably separate this 8, so get rid of that for now. Then just do 8 times 8, which is 64. And then now we could bring that 8 back, and 64 times 8 is 512 D. Number 2 is evaluate the expression 1 plus 7 times 4. First step we gotta do is look at the parentheses, which means that is the first thing we have to do to solve this expression. So get rid of the times 4 for now. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Now we bring back the times 4. So 8 times 4 is 32, which is also D again. Now number 3 is similar but just bigger numbers, and it includes division. Don't worry about this plus for now. We have to do each one of these and then add them together. So 18 divided by 9 is 2, plus 63 divided by 7 is 9. So the answer is B, 11. Now it's number 4. This is our first word problem. Logan and Emma are candidates at the school election. For every 6 student voters, 2 of them voted for Logan. What is the possible number of students who voted for Logan and Emma? So for every 6 student voters, 2 of them voted for Logan, which means that 2 out of 6 students voted for Logan, which is also 1/3. So that will be our ratio. This is Logan and this is Emma. So when Logan gets 1 vote, Emma gets 3. So let's look at the options. A, it's 120 for Logan and 240 for Emma. That ratio would be 1 to 2, but we're looking for 1 to 3. So number 1 is incorrect. Number 2 is 120 for Logan and 360 for Emma. So let's try simplifying that. 120 over 360 is 1 over 3, which is 1 to 3, the ratio we are looking for. So the correct answer for number 4 is B. Now it is number 5. Mia has 36 forks and 24 knives in her silverware drawer. What is the ratio of knives to forks in the drawer? If you guys don't know what ratio is, it's just basically dividing these two numbers to see. It's kind of like fraction. So 3 to 2 is 3 over 2. 2 to 3 is 2 over 3. 3 to 5 is 3 over 5. 2 to 5 is 2 over 5. So it's 36 forks and 24 knives. One tricky part about this question is that in the beginning of the question it says 36 forks and then knives, but in the second sentence it says what is the ratio of knives to forks. So then these two have to be flipped around. So it's knives to forks. So we know we have 36 forks and 24 knives. Let's put that in fraction form to make it easier to see. The greatest common multiple is 6, so we can divide each one of these by 6. This gives us 4 over 6. Actually, I'm sorry, the greatest multiple is 12, so we could just divide this again by 2, which is just 2 over 3. and 2 over 3 is B, also 2 to 3. Lastly, number 6, there are 50 empty seats on the bus and 20 passengers. What is the ratio of passengers to empty seats? The ratio of passengers to empty seats is 20. If there's 20 passengers and 50 empty seats. Put that in fraction form to divide the numbers. Then now we could just divide the top and bottom by 10. And to make it easier, we could just cross out this 0. So our final answer is 2 over 5, which is also 2 to 5 in ratio form, which gives us the option A as the correct answer. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.